Hey guys, welcome back for the next life management tool. Now I've actually had to add this extra lecture right at the very end when I was about to complete it because I didn't realize you couldn't upload macro scripted Excel files. So instead, I'm just going to show you guys how to set it up really quickly. Once you've downloaded the two files, now the two files are the Excel file itself, okay, the what's for dinner Excel file, and also the macro script. So let's start with the Excel file itself. Okay, what you want to do is first open it up. Then we want to save it as macro enabled. Okay, so we go File, Save As. Then here in Save As Type, you want to go macro enabled. All right, and then you just save it where you had the original file. Okay, then once that's done, you want to close this file. Okay, then you want to open the macro file. Now you'll see that the macro file has a exclamation mark in the symbol. So let me get the large icon. As you can see, it now has a exclamation mark. And what this means is now you can run macro script or VBA programming, which I'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay, this is just the setup. So now what you want to do is you want to open up this one with the exclamation mark. Okay, let's put this to the side for now. And you also want to open up your macro script like so. And this is the programming language that I'll go through in the next lecture. Okay, so let's put this both up like so. All right, so now you've got the window open. What we want to do is we want to get Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. So the way to do that is to press, you can go Developer, then you want to go Visual Basic, like so. All right, and that's going to bring up this window. Now this is just an add-on for Microsoft Excel. So what we want to do now is we want to go Insert, Module. That's like creating a file, and you'll get a blank sheet like so. What you want to do now is copy the macro script in here, go Edit, Copy, go here, Edit, Paste. Okay, so now you have the formula. Then we want to go Save, OK, and then close this. Okay, like so. Then we want to open up this one and zoom in. So now all we're going to do is we're going to create a button so we can activate that script. So the way to do that is you want to go Developer, Controls, Insert, and it's the first form control, the button. Okay, then we just want to draw a button like so. And then when you do that, it's going to come up with the Assign Macro window. All you want to do is select the What's for Dinner macro. Okay, which means that when you press this button, it's going to run the What's for Dinner macro. Okay, then you press OK, like so. Now let's change the text. The way to do that is just like you're altering a cell, like so. Let's call this What's for Dinner. Okay, let's go like that. Let's resize this. Oops, like so. Then the other one. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do the setup. So now we just save, and if we test it, yep, it works fine. So that's all you got to do for now, guys. It's just the setup. I'll now be going through exactly how it works. All right, guys, see you soon.